Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Be Yourself. This is Dr. Rajni, and in the last video I have discussed about how we can write an effective research paper. Now it's been long time after publishing that video, so I hope you might have formulated some of the manuscript. So now this is the time how we can choose a proper journal for our publication. So this is a general concern of any researcher, especially the newcomer in the research field, that after doing lots of research, where to publish their work. Another question is that is there really need to publish your work? What we will get if I will not publish our work, and what we will get if I get my work published? So publication of your work actually make you know what is the impact of your research work, what exactly the work which you have done is matter to the society, to yourself, to the well-being of a human being. Another thing is that citation of your work. The more citation of your work, actually this increases your edge indexing, and this says that what is the current status of your work, or what is the current demand of your work. So this also is one of the criteria, so that we should publish our paper to know that what is the current demand of our work. For example, if we will be publishing a paper on this cancer, and suppose we have highlighted some new ideas of treatment, that will be definitely cited more, because we all have a general tendency to search for the medicine or drugs which can completely cure the cancer, and is very difficult part, and this is very broad spectrum of research in the cancer is there. So a more citation of your work also says that how authentic your work is. So if your work is really authentic, more number of citation will be there. If you have innovation in your work, more number of citation will be there, and this will increase your edge indexing. So we must publish our research work if we have some innovative ideas we already have done. Now, how we can choose a journal? Before going to this field to choose a journal, what we must know, actually this will be much clear to you only, because this is your research work. So it will be clear to you that what is the aim of your research, why you want, what is the aim, why you have conducted that research, what can be concluded. Is there any innovation in your work? If yes, then how your work will be going to contribute the society or the economic level. It can be any contribution to the society or economic level. And whatever work you have done, is that been over, or more work can also be conducted over that, and which basically means what is the future prospect of your work. Why we need to know about our work? And I'm definitely sure that if you are doing any work, any research work, then it should be very much clear to you, because this is completely your work. So on this basis only we are suggested to choose the journal, because if we will go to the home page of any journal, we will find that on this basis each journal has a definite aim. They have a call for a paper, research paper or a review paper, depending upon their aim and scope. So let's start with the basics, how we can choose a journal. So actually some people suggest that first you choose a journal and then design your manuscript, and some says that choose your journal as per the manuscript. I also go with the second suggestion, that first write your manuscript, then choose a journal, because this is your research work. You are not going to copying someone else. Yeah, depending upon your aim, innovation, you should choose your journal. So do so. What I will go first, I will go to the online connection. Actually different publisher has, like Springer, Elsewhere, Wiley, already have their online server to find the journal. So what I will do, I will just go to the online server like Springer Journal Finder. Now you will get the Springer Journal Finder. When you will open this, I will open this in new tab. Now in this tab, what we can see, it is asking for the manuscript title. So I already have a published paper, so I am going to copy and paste this topic just to demonstrate you. I am not going to do with the new work. Oh, sorry. I have copied and I'm going to paste like this. Now, one thing which I don't like about the Springer Journal Suggester is that manuscript text. They want a whole manuscript text, but what we can do, we can only copy and paste my abstract, and from this only you will find the journal, suitable journal for that. Now, what I have done, instead of pasting the whole manuscript, I have just pasted the abstract part. Is subject area, you can also specify a subject area depending on the type of research which you are doing. So I am strict to the life science. Refine your recommendation. You can also can find the minimum impact factor, what impact factor you want, minimum impact factor which should be there for your publication, minimum acceptance rate, and the first time maximum time to first decision. So I am skipping all this point because I will just demonstrate you what actually it's been. Indexing services, suppose I have given, I want to publish my paper only in the Scopus Index journal. So now Springer will reflect only those journals which are Scopus indexed and should have a minimum impact factor of 1. Finally, I will go to suggest journals. Let's wait now. Yes, so on the basis of our criteria, what I have got, that I have got a list of the journals here, and depending upon the acceptance rate, I will further go with the journals. So first it is here, stem cell reviews and reports. So this is my review paper. So they have from the keywords which was there in the abstract only, they have identified this. So as this my work does not belong to the stem cells, so I will not, definitely not go, and also the acceptance rate is only 23%, so definitely I will not choose this journal, and my work is also not having that much of impact, I think so. So I will also skipping this. So because you already have written your manuscript, so you all know that what actually the impact of your paper, because while writing the paper you especially the discussion section, we discussed that how what is the significance of our work, and what work already been done, and what is new in our work. So depending on that you can very well justify that what should be the impact factor of your paper. Here we can see that geroscience is there, and it is having a very high impact factor, acceptance rate of 40%, but impact factor is very high. So in this way we can, depending upon on your own, you can go and find out the journal. One I am seeking is very good one, that 53% acceptance rate with 1.5 impact factor, and the decision is 36 days. First decision on an average you will get in the 36 days. So what I will do, I will go to this journal, but it does not end your search here. Now again I will go and find out the aim and scope of my of this journal, whether it is well suited along with my paper or not. So as I can see here that the area of its publication is new advances in peptide drug delivery system, application of peptide therapeutics to specific diseases. So as my paper was on COVID, and somewhere I have discussed about the drug delivery system and all, so I will definitely go to submit my paper in this. So after clicking on this submit your paper, you will be having editorial manager page where you have to create your account, and after that you process for the publication. So this is one way to find your paper. Another also another journal finder also there. So here I have used Springer. Likewise elsewhere is also having journal finder. You can find it here like this. Yes, so paper title, paper abstract. So you can see here only abstract is asking, so I already have copied from the previous one, and I will again show you how it will work for the elsewhere. So almost both work in the same manner, just I am demonstrating. keywords. So I will again copy and paste my keywords from here. Yes, no match found. No, okay, I don't know why it is showing. Leave it. So field of research, what is the field of research? My field of research, immunology and microbiology. I can also refine my search, like what the impact factor, review, or time of publication which I want. Depending upon that, after putting all this, when I will go for the find journals, then again in the same way as been done by the Springer, I will have a list of the journals here. So in this way, we need not to go for the Google and find one by one. I have to open the research journals and find it. We can, this is actually a shortcut to have all the relevant journals related to your paper, and on that basis you can proceed for the publication. But here another challenge is that you have to verify the impact of your paper, that what impact factor it should go. And another thing is that you must once verify that what should be the acceptance rate. So here you can see here citation score is 0.3 and no impact factor is there, and it is showing 63% acceptance rate. And another thing is that not each journal, rather few of the journals ask for the article processing charges. So you have to go through the author's page. So here you will find instructions for the author. So you have to find all these things from the instruction of the authors. So I do this shortcut and I will just type Control and F and find the charges, whether it has the charges, any charges or not. So article processing charges, open choice. So open choice actually means, I think this Springer journal will not be charging anything for the article processing charge if you don't choose for the open publication. But if you choose for the open publication, then you have to pay some of the fee for the article processing charges. Actually, while going for the open choice of the journal, more number of readers will be there because it will be freely available. So as more it will be freely available, more downloads and more readings will be there in the open choice. So this is also your own choice, that whether you want this your journal as open access or not. So on this basis we can find our journals. Another thing is that after finding the journal through the online way, what we can do after choosing the journal as per our manuscript through the online, what another way is that while you are reading any of the manuscript related to your paper, you see that what the work is been done in that research paper and in which journal that has been published, and whether your work is relevant to that journal or not. This is also another way that while reading you make a list of all the journals whose research paper you are reading or the review paper you are reading. So after that, after finding your suitable journal, what you do, you just submit your research paper, get your finger crossed, let it published. After publication, enjoy your paper, share with me also if some research work is there. I will also read and review your paper, and I will also share with the public level also. So these were all about this. Another thing is that major cause of rejection of your journal is the first site rejection of your research paper is the plagiarism. So in my next video I will describe how to overcome plagiarism issue. So don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.